Have you ever wondered if Skinport is truly a safe place to buy and sell your Counter-Strike 2 skins, or if it's just another risky marketplace? Today we're diving deep into Skinport to see if it lives up to its reputation and whether it's worth trusting with your money and inventory. Skinport has been around since 2018, which gives it over 6 years of operational history, and during that time it has built a solid presence in the gaming community with over 100,000 followers on social media platforms like X, plus a 4.9-star rating on Trustpilot from more than 34,000 verified reviews. Users report that payments are smooth, transfers happen instantly, and the fees are generally fair, which makes transactions feel secure and transparent. The platform also offers real customer support through email, phone, and even a physical address, which adds a layer of trust for users concerned about scams or account safety. While Skinport handles high volumes of trades for popular games, including Counter-Strike 2 and other titles, there are always considerations for new or cautious users, especially when dealing with in-game items that have fluctuating value. The interface is user-friendly, allowing both buyers and sellers to navigate quickly, but some users note that market fluctuations and price differences between Skinport and Steam can affect potential profits. Security seems to be a priority, yet as with any online marketplace, it's important to remain vigilant about your account credentials and payment methods. Overall, Skinport presents itself as a legitimate and established marketplace with strong community feedback, clear support channels, and a transparent reputation system, making it a viable option for gamers who want a dedicated space to trade skins. But like any platform, understanding its operations and potential risks is key before diving in.